Ebusiafo say any story koso the legal vacation debate na metie interview bi a Atta Akyea ewo City FM utumu say Atta Akyea onyanso anko besu because omo trauma judge say legal vacation na nkomo nko omo trauma chief justice said that be still cases no be koso Atta Akyea mama wati ase when you know Edubo in case me share me catch him say it looks like Atta Akyea has a strategy he uses, and the strategy is that time bia will be seeking for court order bia you be rejecting no. The first point of call is the media. He has a way of running to the media and then trying to paint his picture in a certain way for public sympathy. Ustedina ubehune say sadia no taya dia pan. Obia on a strategy. Obia on a strategy, you know, you are not going to fault him for that. Na maybe I answer be say ba the technicalities na me pese you go through. Na obi biara wo tie me no obeti nsem na say. And the first time we have subscribe na click notification bell na so. Oye na say latest news be about one sa ebeka. This video is kindly brought to you by Unity's Ventures. Unity's Ventures yasu ye bia oton eye inku. Na open nku anti-aging cream rated by America for dermatologists. Yeka dermatologists are omo akọ school a womo hwe nipa ho ensem skin. What you say doctors are womo hwe skin ehun no. Who from dermatologist. Na anti-aging cream ya Unity's Ventures otono. It has been rated as one of the best in the world. Na netre say unyi na open nku ebema ho ayefe. Se senia oye akola no senia na skin ye fair anti-aging cream na Unity's Ventures oton 0598003891 freno baby a wo Ghana bia no obe deliver the amount now. So the whole story is that there's a legal vacation nankini kwanse judge setting a case. So as usual how the thing is no chief justice natural said that be oral cases no judges nintena so Atta Akyea our lawyer Emma one of the suspects in the oral case no Edubo ahin said dabi ono the ompeni watrama chief justice nya isa chief justice no ababonti ababeka so ompeni na eno na ya journey ni case na call August 17th na Atta Akyea wo trese wono onko court onfa ho onko court. Now, it is the way Atta Akyea is reacting to things like this. Listen, I have come to understand, say, MPP omo lawyers no, most of them, enye so mwenyi, ana wamo abobra, omo ye nkola, na kebe from say, omo ye spoiled brats. Asemo America no, asem kesiye. And so mindi atem MPs and our MPP lawyers, from what we are learning, especially in the past 1 year, NDC are buying ababemuno. From what some of us we are learning, and they say, na kenye so mwenyi no mo abobra na nkomo ye nkola na kebeka so mo ye spoils brat. Because you see, every single lawyer knows, say, quarter, the outcome of a case normally no a two. Either the judge will agree with you, part or wholly. Say judge no better say assembly a wodi abeyi mejitum no kware demands I will demand the medini na bema and I say mema or half mema or me judge no they make me feel asem no meji ebitum and then you find a part or wholly. Until the assembly court is either said the judge will agree with you part or wholly, or the judge will outrightly reject you. Once you are a lawyer and you petition a judge on a certain case, and then a response comes, and then you've exhausted all the avenues, udibesiki redress and a review. I think that at the point, you need to accept the judgment and go according to that judgment. If you think you can do something about it, fair enough, continuously do something about it. But if there's nothing you can do about it, you accept it and put it on your chest and go. That is what we saw the NDC do in this country. During, the MPP for the year, Chachishikata and the likes, caught, election petition in. And do you think, say, he agreed on the way? In fact, as the judges even deceived Chachishikata, when he wanted to ask Jean Mensah certain questions, prelims questions, no, Moka trying to say one train cross-examination, they do cross-examination in a Moka say more money. He reminded the judges they did not agree. At the end of the day, Chachishikata accepted. Time be your friend say one bra court be a buy. But to share attach to be specific. I say, court. Na adie no anko according to ono de opepe eni emekra member eni emekra mi nyesi eni yekra yemba eni emekra mi as if say that should do anything. And I'm telling you, say attach your strategy and say public sympathy. Just that it is not working. But enyama omo ye no public sympathy, they want to seek public sympathy. What draw petition na my Chief Justice? Ase metie o, ba me de ento asume mame. Inti de open me nyem ma o. En de me peno onye dia, en de me mba court. Na wo mba court a onu Chief Justice de fa ne ho. Wo mba court a ho na ebebre. And omo a wo mo fa Atta Akyea as lawyers no. I don't probably maybe Atta Akyea is one of the send the MPP for omunya asemu no mu dwane akwa Atta Akyea ne Gofedamemo no. Probably should tell you that these people are their best lawyers. But you should start questioning yourselves. Look at what he did to Chemaun-Tumi. Adeni mu ye din ade ya ye be ma Chemaun-Tumi sentencing. Atta Akyea se neba ye graduation wa abrochi ntene no hia no. Eno koye ena ye chi Chemaun-Tumi 20 years. And then Atta Akyea babaka wo be seek for a year appeal for Chemaun-Tumi. Then no appeal no, it will not go according to their plan. And we will sit in this country and we will see what Atta Akyea will do. The funny thing will be like appeal na wo musiki no. Once Chemaun-Tumi ni ruling no mo pese omu delay. Appeal na ende Chemaun-Tumi dem nti no ombe pese yenye ntentem. Se court sha se omu delay, you are going to see how they will start crying. What role letter akwa judge? Say legal vacation no mo de mo pese mo ko judge say dabi o client case ni entena so. O ka tre judge say wo de wo mma August 17 no womba court. Na say womba court is it going to have an effect on the judge? It is going to have an effect on your client. Because your client no wona wetia was kase representing no. They also representing your court no si wonko because judge ama order bia wo no weni enye den enje ho. Who is going to suffer? Is it not your client? But then it is up to your client himself. MPP for amutiemia ebia monso mu cases bebano. The best thing you can do is that don't pick lawyers who are politically exposed. Because if there's something going on, lawyers are MPP for oral cases. Ye dealing with lawyers are politically exposed in nano. You see how they are all suffering in their cases. Don't pick a lawyer who is politically exposed. You can get good lawyers who are not politically exposed, who can help you with your case. Today, you are going to need, on 17th August, Eduboy is going to need his lawyer in court. But the lawyer naka se wamba. And the court is not going to stop because Eduboy and his lawyer has refused to come. Dabi. Because Mama Wati has said, Nyama bi wo se court ne pene suma sa nyama ne kwa. Ebe serve as precedence. And the court does not want this to be the precedence. Said Achibi, yebedi obi asem obi akwa kobokro no ni ebedi na sem ni eberuli case no na pese di ni nsem intentema ni lawyer no betumi aka se media member na ehon nti case no ye twintwan so dabi nti nyama bi say de the judge will make sure say obe continue with the case And if it is going to have effect on your clients, all you have to do is that you run to the media and say, I na yamba court, and a judge na kwako ruli, and yachi your clients atum. Well, you be the next day, next 2 days, next week, asa MPP for mo pa mo yen demonstration, asa Ghana phone fee mo, and no asem no ko. But deep down, no, one we give you up on no clients, no. Intino, yate.
Ebusia, unim se won pese obenya diabetes, stroke, cancer, ana BP a ade ba ko pe na wo se wo ye ho adwuma eye wefu e wo se wo ma wefu eba fom me a me ne mo kase emre bi bae mini hu mefu a yes and the same person me a me ne mo kase me a mefu eni na eye nyama miensa na me yeye ene movie me from this to this and me ho atome na wo tie me se wo pese obenya saa yare dom a me bo din ni na very simple. Enyama miensa na me dia throw book no your friend your action plan for weight loss pe book ni bi na to ne bo nya den 100 cedis pe so wo pe book ni ne PDF a metumi asani ama e wo WhatsApp so uni makenkan ya don't worry book no ne twi video wo ho ne ever video so wo ho ni na 100 cedis pe. Over thousands of copies of the book have been bought. Now we share every single day send your nkrofo efre me edamase for ensem a meka wo book ni mu a ende asesa wo mabrabo na enya asem ketwa se wo pe book ni bi ato a 055 807 4986 055 807 4986 o ye Ghana ni na wa abrochire na wo pe book ni hard copy a eno ne se obekọ Amazon na wa search for book ni title Your Action Plan for Weight Loss by Sena Kofi inti o search title no na eba na wo to a ye be shipe e de abrew to book no na wo to book na me wa ha wanga sa beba bedamase me damu ni na ase